Convert gas appliances to electric in new construction to cut fossil fuel use and capture available incentives. Start by planning load requirements and panel capacity, because a heat pump, water heater, and induction range can add significant continuous and peak demand. Size the electrical service at design stage and upgrade from a 125 amp panel to at least 200 amps when needed to avoid costly retrofits. Have a licensed electrician perform a load calculation using the National Electrical Code method and include diversity factors for simultaneous appliance use. Choose an induction range that matches existing cooktop dimensions to simplify countertop and ventilation adjustments, and verify the circuit and outlet requirements before purchase. For water heating, evaluate heat pump water heaters for high efficiency in conditioned spaces and electric tankless options when point-of-use sizing will limit distribution losses. Consider condensate drainage and ambient temperature effects on heat pump performance. When replacing a gas furnace, pick a ducted or ductless heat pump system sized by a manual J load calculation, and coordinate refrigerant line routing and condensate plans with mechanical trades. Check local building codes and incentives early, because some jurisdictions require specific heat pump controls or electrification-ready wiring, and many rebates require pre-approval or midstream supply processes. Homeowners often underestimate electrical service upgrades, which leads to delays and higher costs. Get a professional load study early and include spare capacity for future electric vehicle charging. Another common issue is improper placement of heat pump water heaters in unconditioned cold spaces, which reduces efficiency and can cause freezing. Place the unit in a conditioned or climate-moderating location, or choose a model rated for colder environments. A third frequent problem is mismatched system sizing for heat pumps, causing short cycling and poor comfort. Always require manual J and manual S sizing, and request contractor documentation of equipment selection and expected seasonal performance. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for electrification work and to help contractors find new jobs. We also host a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and compare incentives and local code approaches.